Today I want to talk to you about Mix Drums from Arturia. I am new to this plugin, so we'll discover it together. This is the interface. We have input with ceilings. So this is going to be a clipper, I think. You can see that when I'm moving this fader right here, all the other faders are moving. Then we have lows, mids and highs, space and EQ. We have clean highs with gain, saturation for the lows with an op amp 21, warmth level dry, a shaper with attack and body, the clipper, but the clipper is globally controlled by this fader. On the mid high we have tape with drive and another saturation that we can choose from all the different modes. We have analog with tape, pentode, triode, thick, overdrive, germanium 1 and 2, digital with bit crush, rate crush, rectifier, and wave shaper with exponential, hard clip, core, howl, sine fold, and dual fold. Okay, so we have a lot of distortion modes. Shaper same as the low with attack and body. The clipper still controlled by the global. We have space. When clicking on space, we have different dynamic types. We have a ducker, tremolo, and gate. All the modules have different controls. Then we have EQ with 3 different bands that are right here on the right side. And we have noise with, okay, a lot of different noise profiles. Pretty interesting. On the bottom of the plugin we have the bypass and the quality of the oversampling. That's the interface. Let's start playing with Mix Drums and let's see what type of sounds we can achieve with it. Let's add some saturation to the low end. Let's change the crossover. Let's make it more higher. And I don't want any high pass. We can blend the dry signal back in so we can retain some of the punch. But we have to be careful because we are pushing into the clipper. Let's add some punch to the low end. Let's add some tape. Let's add some more space. We have reverb, convolution reverb delay, and tape delay. So you can get really creative with the space, because you have the ducker, the tremolo, and the gate. You also have controls over the pre-delay, the distance, and damping. EQ. You can change the low band and high band to shelves or bells, and you can add noise. Just to spice up your drums. A lot of options for the noise type. Let's try it on a different type of loop. Let's go with let's try it on a different type of loop. I was expecting something different from mix drums from Arturia, but this is just a creative type of plugins that you can use to transform your drum loops, drum breaks. This is not, or I think this is not something that I would use in a subtle way. This is something to mangle, to transform your drums. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like. Thanks for the support and see you guys really soon. Cheers.